All right. My name's Karen and this is the Agile Life.
Hi, I'm future you and I'm here because I felt like I needed to have a word with myself.
Okay, what about?
Yeah, listen, the issue is that you leave a lot of stuff for me to do. You see a pile of dishes and instead of getting them dealt with, you just leave them for later. Well, later is when I've got to pick up the slack. It's not like there's somebody else picking up the slack. It's just you, but later. And
You know, look, I totally get it, but sometimes I'm really distracted or I'm in the middle of something.
right, listen, I totally get that. I want to make a deal with you. I'm really super happy to pick up the slack when you're in the middle of something or there's a reason that you can't do the task, right? But what I'm talking about is those times, and you know you do this, when you leave stuff till later, but you could have just as easily done it right there and then. And to put this right, what's the first principle of Agile?
To satisfy the customer through continuous and early delivery.
Right. And in this scenario, you're the customer, because frankly, you're the only person that cares that the dishes are all a mess, right? So, you've made a video about how you identify yourself as the customer and you understand what the benefit is. But here's the thing, if you're not providing that benefit as soon as it can be provided, then you're not getting that benefit for the full length of time. So, the earlier you get it, the more value you get from it. You enjoy having a clean kitchen, and you don't kind of sort it out for yourself. It's a gift to yourself if you do that. So it just might be a good idea to sort of think about that and maybe pick up a bit more of the slack.
It's a great way of thinking about it, absolutely. It's a gift to myself doing it now.
And I'm usually right.
Okay, well, listen, at the end of the day, I totally get it. And I know that we all know wipe it off till tomorrow what you can do today, but sometimes it's easier to say than to do.
Right, listen, I've got to go because I only had a couple of minutes, but, I think we can agree that this is a good idea. This is going to be a good plan and we're going to get loads of benefit from this if we just get stuff done.
No, you're completely right.
And I'm going to catch you later. Bye.
Okay, fair enough. Well, see ya.
So look, we all know the adage, and as much as this little thing was me being silly, we all know the adage, wipe it off till tomorrow, what you can get done today, right? But fundamentally, it's easier to say than to do, right? So what my friend over here was trying to say is that actually putting it off, particularly when it's only you that's going to go ahead and do the task, isn't giving you any benefit. You're not getting anything good out of that. And in fact, the opposite is true. The sooner you get the job done, the sooner you receive the benefits. So that's my thought for today. Hopefully somebody might pick up on it and the next time they feel like leaving something, they just get it done. But if not, I hope you've been entertained and had a laugh at my expense or with me. And it's been great chatting to you guys again today. Catch you later. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.